Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today I'm really excited to share one of my favorite recipes with you guys. I have been holding out on this one for a couple years now, but I think it's time. I left my recipe box back in Arkansas, and so I just recently got my mom to snap a couple of photos for me of my favorite recipes, and this was among them. These are honey bars. It is the most phenomenal bar I've ever made. I love them. We use local honey to make these, and they're just scrumptious. So if you're a honey fan, you're gonna love this video. Here's that recipe, guys. I'm starting out with my sugar. Instead of vegetable oil, I am using lard. I'm just gonna dump that in here. I've got it at room temp. This didn't come from the freezer. This was from our pantry. And it just has a great flavor. Look how beautiful and white that is. It's wonderful. I'm gonna mix that together. You can actually just dump all of your ingredients into this bowl. You do not have to do it in any sort of order or anything. It's a really easy recipe. There's my egg, and here's my honey. Ooh, that's beautiful. I love honey, it's so pretty. It's one of those amazing resources. It's like, wow, how did God come up with this one? It's just so magnificent. Now I'm adding in my flour. This is a gluten-free baking mix, but you can use the flour of your preference. This is just a mix of rice flour and different ingredients. I'm going to throw in my baking soda before I mix that all together. A teaspoon of baking soda. The recipe calls for cinnamon, and it is amazing with cinnamon, but I'm not going to do that today because one of the people eating this today is going to have an issue with cinnamon, has an allergy. Just something to note, because I used my lard and it was in a more solid state, I did end up with this dough consistency. I'll just press this into my pan. If you are using a liquid oil, like a vegetable oil, your dough will be a little looser. Don't let that alarm you. It's just because of the state the oil's in. Once you get your dough formed, you want to press it into your ungreased pans. I created a couple different variations here because I'm making this for company. I know one cannot do cinnamon but loves pecans. And then this pan has cinnamon throughout that I just sprinkled on top. Part has nuts, part does not. Because different people have different preferences, I felt like this would be an easy way to accommodate everyone. And you just eat, you know, whatever you want. So it's a very easy recipe to modify should you need to for company, or maybe you and your spouse like things different ways. You can just press these pecans in at the top like I did, or use cinnamon or not. So you can make this recipe your own. I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. You just want them golden brown. It's preheated now, so I'm gonna pop these in and show you the end result. And there we have it, guys. This is delicious. It's the best thing ever. We love making this for company. Sunshine loves this as a snack. It's great for breakfast. It's really good. The little pan turned out looking scrumptious as well, guys. So this is just a great recipe to have on hand. It takes no time to whisk up. If you've got company coming on short notice, 20 minutes later, you've got the most amazing dessert, snack, whatever, in the universe. They're so good. If you have a favorite recipe that you like to pull out, if you have company, something quick and easy that you can just pop in the oven and have ready to rock and roll, let me know what that is in the comment section below. We can all benefit from those ideas. You guys throw out the best ideas in the comments when I read those from my videos, and I just really love that. We brainstorm together, and it's just very helpful for me and for everyone else. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate each of you so much. I hope you're eating something awesome today. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.